Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Very nice Jaguar XF 2.2. It's a premium luxury sport brake. It's done 66,000 miles. It's £8,995. It's two owners. It's had the CAMBELT done at 37,000 miles by Jaguar and has lots of Jaguar service history up to date. I've listed all the services in the advert in the written part. So two owners, 8,995, 66,000 miles. As you can see, premium luxury. So daytime running lights, front park sensors, headlamp washers. Looks like barley leather inside, soft grain barley leather. Does have a reverse camera and it has heated electric leather seats. Rear park sensors, privacy glass, matching Bridgestone Turanza tyres. Got the 17-inch wheels on. They drive best on this size wheel. Quieter, smoother, ride better. Once you go 18s, 19s and 20s, the ride is not as good, but obviously they don't look as good. Got the barley fitted carpet mats, electric seats, memories for the seats, electric steering column, paddle change, cruise control, sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, reverse camera. Very clean car. 66,000 miles. Lovely colour scheme. Just suits it, this colour. Ultra clean. We'll have a power tailgate. Nice options. Very well built cars these. This is in beautiful condition. There you go. Press the button, so the camera up under there. Look at that. Immaculate. Lovely clean boot there. Up there, press the button. Can't see any dents. I know it's wet, but I can't see any dents or scratches. Paintwork looks all original. Very nice, this car. Lots of tread on those Bridgestone tyres all round. Keyless entry, those are the squares on the door handle. Keyless start. Aluminium roof rails. Meridian Hi-Fi. Folding mirrors, electric mirrors. There's the memories for the electric driver's seat. No wear on the leather. Lovely clean mats. 66,000 miles by its two owners. CAMBELT replaced. Very good Jaguar service history. Jaguar replaced the CAMBELT and the water pump. Just show you the reverse camera. Go flick it in reverse, the reverse camera. Other important thing, heated seats. Obviously got nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and of course Bluetooth for your phone. It's all there. Very nice. Extra connectivity in there. £8,995, drives like a brand new car. Lovely that. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other XFs in stock. We will have more than one, and that's Sportbrakes as well. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with nearly 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock, and you will then be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that vehicle freshly. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.